color correction and retouching can eat up hours of editing time. Fixing uneven tones, balancing skin colors, or trying to nail that perfect cinematic grade. It's the kind of detail work that slows every photographer down. Now imagine turning a flat photo into something that looks straight out of a cinema, all in seconds. That's where Retouch4me steps in. Today, we're diving into the all-new Arams Mattifier, Skin Tone, and Color Match to see how they can completely change your editing game. So if you're new here, installing Retouch4me is super simple. It's almost like plug-and-play magic. Just head over to retouch4me, download the installer along with your chosen plugins, and run it. Done. Prefer working outside Photoshop? Retouch4me's powerful standalone app, Arams, has your back. And here's the futuristic part, cloud retouching. Simply sign in, upload your photos, and let the AI do its magic online. No installation, no heavy lifting. All right, now that setup's out of the way, let's dive into the real fun. Some of the top plugins, what they can do for your images, and how they actually pull off the magic. Let's start with the biggest update, Retouch4me Arams. Think of it as your control center. Instead of opening one plugin at a time, Arams integrates all of them in one app. Import a full folder of photos, and Arams can sort, filter, and even rate shots automatically. It recognizes faces, detects issues like blinks or missed focus, and tags everything for you. Here's the real magic. Batch processing. You can apply multiple plugins across hundreds of images at once. Say you want to fix skin with Heal, adjust tones with Skin Tone, and add cinematic color grading with Color Match. Just select those plugins, click Export, and Arams does the heavy lifting while you sip coffee. And the best part, you get layered TIFF exports, so your edits are still flexible in Photoshop. No more one-by-one editing marathons. Our first color correction plugin is Mattifier, the ultimate solution for shiny, oily skin in photos. We've all shot events where people are under hot lights or dancing, and skin ends up looking way too glossy. Mattifier finds those highlights automatically and tones them down, while keeping the skin texture intact. Here's a quick demo. On the left, a forehead looks shiny under stage lights. One click in Mattifier, and boom! Natural, soft skin, no distracting glare. And if you're in Photoshop, you can use Mattifier on its own layer and brush the effect in exactly where you want it. So maybe you want to keep the natural glow on lips, but tone down the shine on cheeks? Easy. Now let's talk about skin tone, and honestly, this one's a lifesaver. Uneven tones are one of the trickiest retouching tasks. Redness on the cheeks, cool patches under the eyes, or mismatched hands and face. Skin Tone handles all of that automatically. It scans every visible skin area, face, hands, arms, ears, then calculates the natural average tone and balances everything to match. The result? Smooth, consistent color across the whole portrait. Check this out. Before, the subject's face had redness on the nose and cool shadows under the eyes. After Skin Tone, even natural, healthy skin color. And no, it doesn't mess with lip color, hair, or clothes. Just pure smart correction. Pretty neat. Finally, let's get creative with Color Match. This plugin lets you give your photos the look of any reference image. Want the warm, dusty tones of Mad Max? Fury Road? Or maybe the moody blue vibe of Twilight? Load your reference photo, and Color Match applies that cinematic palette straight onto your image. Plus, it connects to the LUT cloud, where you can browse hundreds of ready-to-go looks. Or you can create your own LUT and use it not just in Photoshop, but in Lightroom or even video editors like Premiere and DaVinci Resolve. Here's an example. A flat studio portrait instantly transformed into a film-like grade inspired by a Hollywood still. One click, and you've got storytelling colors. Isn't it that easy? So how do you get these? Each plugin can be purchased separately, and once you buy it, you own it, with lifetime updates. You can access them through your Photoshop panel or use the free Arams standalone app alongside your plugins. Cloud retouching is also available. 1 credit equals 1 processed photo, but re-exporting doesn't burn more credits. New users get 20 free credits to test it out. So, what are you waiting for? Long story short, if you're a portrait, fashion, or event photographer, these color correction plugins will save you hours while giving pro-level results. So give them a try. And don't forget, you can get started today with a special discount. Use code PIXELED at checkout to unlock the full power of Retouch4me. Don't forget to subscribe for more editing tips. And as always, thanks for watching.